Hello guys, today we'll be doing wig, coily wig with expression attachment. You can use any attachment of your choice, as you can see. So you need doll baby, you need scissors, your brush and your crochet needle, but you use the small one, so, and the wig cap. So first you have to cut your attachment. So in this video I'll be doing cutting 3, so I cut it into 3. This wig is too fine, my people. You need to try it. It's even better than all this synthetic that we use our money to buy. It looks like woman hair. Try them, you go see how beautiful it is. So I measure the hair into 3 and I cut. So make sure that it's equal, okay? So guys, after cutting it one out, you measure the 2 together and you cut again. So you have to draw it. This is the method I'm using to draw this attachment because I don't want it to scatter. You understand? This method is very fine. So guys, after that I comb it out, and this is the second one. I'm just doing this again so you guys will not understand what I'm doing. I'm just drawing it for the both side. So after that I comb it. So now I have to tie a rope to the chair. So I start braiding the hair. So you don't need to do small braiding because you know you are going to lose it back. So I'm just braiding it. Just have to braid it all the way down. You can do it big, you understand, because we are going to lose it back and crochet it. So as you can see what I am doing, I'm just braiding the hair, normal braiding, not twisting. Don't twist, it's braiding. 3 hand. So that is what I'm doing. After that, you get your container, boil hot water. So I'm putting a leave-in conditioner. You can use any one you have. So I now pour the hot water on the hair we just braided. So after pouring the hot water, you bring it out and clean it. So see the hair now. I use the towel to clean this, to drain the water out. So I have to lose everything out. You can be losing it as we are crocheting so that everything will not just be there and scatter. Maybe you might not finish it that same day, you understand. So I'm already crocheting the hair on the wig cap, as you can see. So you just have to crochet it. If you don't know how to do crochet, just watch what I am doing, you will understand it. So guys, this wig is too beautiful. Please share this video for so many people to, as in when I tried it, I was like, wow, this is very nice, as you can see. So you can see how I'm doing the crochet. This one now you can see it very well. So I bring it close for you guys to see. This is how you do it. Don't take too much of the hair while crocheting it. You need to take it small, you understand, so that the hair will not be too somehow, you understand. So just crochet it small. So guys, that is what I'm doing. Watch my hand, you understand what I'm doing. You can use any color of attachment of your choice. Honestly, you can use any color. It's very beautiful, soft and nice, you understand. So you can just, instead of wasting money, unnecessary money, you know, if you have it, why not? You can buy woman hair, but you know, you can do this to sell it safe. You can do it and sell it for people, you know, because this you sell it in a cheaper price. For those people that could not afford woman hair, they will buy it from you. It's very beautiful, very nice. I don't know how to explain it all till you have to try it. I need to finish the whole of the front and I will show you the end. See now, oh my god, can you see this hair? There's oh god, I don't even know. See how beautiful she looks wearing this hair. Who go see this hair go even believe saying a woman hair? If you can't put closure on this hair, oh god, you understand. Even without the closure, I did crochet on it, and see how beautiful it looks on her. She saw this hair, she carried it, she buy the hair from me. She said, auntie, this hair is too beautiful. And so she come buy am from me. Oh, you understand? So if you do this and sell it, people will buy from you because it's very soft. You can use any Wivon oil to rub it.